School safety is paramount to an effective learning and working environment and is a shared responsibility of everyone who attends or visits our campuses. When arriving on campus, look for the safe and secure entrance sign located by the video intercom system installed outside the school's front office. For entry into the school's office, visitors will need to push the call button on the video intercom system and wait to be assisted by campus staff.
Round Rock High School.
Using the video monitor, please be prepared to show a valid form of ID, such as a driver's license, and state the reason for your visit. Once granted access to the building, all visitors will be required to sign in and receive a visitor badge before entering the school. Please allow extra time when picking up your student or visiting campus. You can help avoid delays by calling ahead or making an appointment.